you've been making money online, maybe freelancing, selling products online, or building a small business, and you're still using your personal name or personal bank account, this video is for you. Today, we are talking about LLCs, what they are, why they matter, and how you can start one without the stress. Plus, I will show you how Doola can help you start your business and be able to grow it and run it after. Let's jump in. So first, what is an LLC? It stands for Limited Liability Company. But what it actually means is that your business is separate from you. When you're earning money online and you don't have a business, everything will be tied up to your personal name. That means that if anything goes wrong, for example, customer sues or you end up in debt, your personal assets, your car, maybe even your home could be at risk. With an LLC, you get liability protection, so your business is its own thing. It also gives you credibility, so you look a lot more serious as a business if it is your business LLC, not just your name. And it also opens a lot of doors and opportunities, business bank account, business credit, financial tools that you couldn't access as a person. So in short, an LLC can help you get credibility, protection, and opportunity. Now let's talk about how an LLC can help you make more money, or at least keep more of what you're making. If you're in the US, an LLC lets you write off business expenses, laptop, camera, software, ads, maybe part of your home office. That means less goes to taxes and more stays with you. If you're outside the US, forming a US LLC can help you access tools like Shopify, Stripe, and other payment processors that often block or restrict international founders. That means that you can open a US bank account, avoid weird exchange rates or payment declines, and accept payments as a US business. So it's all about leveling up your business without being held back by where you live. Okay, so now you get why having an LLC is so powerful. But you're probably thinking, Lydia, this sounds great, but how do I actually set one up and handle everything from taxes, bookkeeping, growth, without drowning in paperwork? Well, this is exactly where Doola comes in. So Doola is basically your business in a box. They make it super easy for you to start a US LLC from anywhere in the world. No confusing forms or legal troubles. Now here are the main features that you want to know about Doola. They help you form your US LLC no matter where you are. They deal with fillings, stay requirements, and more. Second, even if you live outside the US, you can get your employer identification number and US bank account via Doola. Third, they have a service where you get a dedicated bookkeeper for monthly or quarterly closings, reports, and real-time transaction tracking. Fourth, they handle your annual state and federal fillings so you don't miss deadlines or get hit with fines. Fifth, they have an e-commerce analytics tool where you can track your sales, ads, inventory, costs, and more. It is not just about business setup, but business growth. And lastly, they're rolling out something called AI Co-Founder, an AI assistant that helps you with bookkeeping, ads, compliance, and analytics. If you ask me, I think that is super smart. So instead of having all of these tools separately, Doola gives you the perfect platform where you can keep all of these together: bookkeeping, ads, tax management, analytics, formation, so you can manage your business all under one platform. And for you as a founder, that means spending less time focusing on those time-consuming things and more time focused on the things that you're good at, being creative, maybe creating content, taking on more clients, and making more money. Now, let me tell you about a few other things that I really love about Doola. I'm going to quickly go through more of the features that Doola has so you can see exactly how you can use it. So first off, bookkeeping. You link your bank account, Doola tracks your income, expenses, tags, transactions, and gets you clear reports. That means that you always know where your money is going. Next, analytics. If you're selling on Shopify, Amazon, or running ads, Doola's analytics dashboard shows sales trends, best-selling products, ad campaign performance, and inventory alerts. It makes scaling smarter. Next, we have the AI toolkit. Imagine asking, what were my top expenses last month? Or which ad campaign did best this week? And the system gives you answers. This is what their new AI co-founder actions do. Taxes and compliance. No more guesswork. They cover state fillings, federal fillings, and help you with US tax compliance, even if you're global. There are fines up to $25,000 for missing IRS deadlines, but Doola handles all that paperwork for you, so you never have to worry about penalties or missed fillings. That means major peace of mind. And finally, formation and banking. The foundational step, you get your LLC forms, bank account opened from anywhere. It helps you start right. So if you're ready to take your business seriously and make it official, then Doola is the tool that I highly recommend. They have a starter plan for you to get started with the LLC quickly, but if you want the full setup, bookkeeping, taxes, analytics, I recommend their premium or business in a box plan because you avoid IRS fines by staying compliant, you save time and stress because somebody else is managing the numbers and all the fillings, and you get smart growth tools such as AI and analytics to scale instead of just maintain. So with the link in the description and the special code you will find there as well, you can get 10% off the premium plan. And if you're not ready yet, you can book a free demo to talk to their team. It is completely risk-free. So you just let somebody else manage the back office so you can focus on the front office, building your brand and making more sales. So if you need the perfect business partner to not only help you set up your business, but also run it and grow it, Doola is the perfect option. So make sure to check out their plans at the link below. If you've enjoyed the video and it was helpful, gave you a lot more information about an LLC, what it is, how you can start one, then I really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!